our colleague Roger Robinson, who has been working with our Committee on the Present Danger of China, of which you are a very important member, for years now, on the problem of our financing the Chinese Communist Party, our pension funds and mutual funds and so on, actually putting money in People's Liberation Army supplier companies, some of which have been designated as such by the Pentagon, for heaven's sakes, making possible this military buildup. There's no getting around that. There is now a kind of back door that is being used by Wall Street. Jamie Dimon's JP Morgan and Brian Moynihan's Bank of America sort of set the precedent for this with a company called CATL, C-A-T-L. There's another one that the Pentagon has also designated as a Chinese military company operating in the United States called Hesai, that they're now raising hundreds of millions of dollars for, including from Americans. It makes a product called LiDAR. Could you tell us what that is, Jim, and if it's a Chinese company working for the military there, is that a problem for us to be underwriting?
Yeah, I don't know any of the specifics on this company that you and Roger have unearthed, but if you're talking about LiDAR, that's light detection and ranging. That's a radar technology that we use in the intelligence community, along with electro-optical imaging capabilities and other radar surveillance capabilities. So, in terms of intelligence, this is a very critical capability that you would not want to share with your adversary, because it allows them to have the ability to detect and fuse different sources of intelligence, whether it's radar intelligence, signals intelligence, electro-optical intelligence, and then add in LiDAR, and you get a very much broader, comprehensive picture of whatever you're trying to find or discover. So this is exactly the kind of technology that we should not be sharing with our adversary. And those that would make the argument that it's dual purpose, we can be using it on drones so we can help people in casualties and earthquakes and things of that nature. I'm not buying that. We do not need to sell this technology with China, and anybody that finances it should be called in and investigated for why they're providing this kind of military grade technology to our adversary.